Okay, good morning, everyone. Yes, I think I'll join. Lexia, Tanas, Devdatan and Zenobia, Hawa, Ilham. Yeah, everyone, kindly turn on your camera. So, have you all? What's up, dears? Good? Everyone feeling good, dears?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. How was your Zeman completion? It's going good.
Yeah.
So try to do it on the own time. What about you, Ryan? Ryan Joshi? Ryan, Muhammad Ryan and Ryan Joshi, Ilham.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone try to complete your assignment on before the due date time. Okay. So let's start. Alexia,
Yeah.
please come forward here.
What?
Yes, you are the thought for the day. Are you
Yeah.
prepared? Yes.
Ma'am, can I read it again?
Okay, okay, okay. Alexia, please.
Yeah. Ma'am,
Yes,
they
Alexia.
have now Sanubia, me, he and Thanos has the same photo. Look, mine is D and Thanos is T. The happiness of your life
Okay, everyone listen here. Ramin on your camera. Turn on your
depends
camera.
uh, up up on the quality of your thoughts. Yeah.
So repeat again, Alexia.
Yeah. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts.
Okay. So thank you, Alexia. Muhammad Ryan, news reading there.
I didn't tell. I tell
Yeah.
what?
Diana, you
I
want to
didn't
read it?
tell it, ma'am.
Yeah, the details the ma'am shared yesterday in the WhatsApp group. So daily you have to check your WhatsApp group also. Some messages will teachers send it on the WhatsApp group also. So kindly check your WhatsApp group. Okay. So the thought and Zenobia, GK, Ryan have the news reading, everything added yesterday in that WhatsApp too. So kindly acknowledge that one news, the messages, Ryan. Are you ready to present news for the day?
I will present tomorrow.
Okay. Don't forget to present tomorrow. Tomorrow you will be the news reader. Okay. So Zenobia, you are GK point. Please, Zenobia.
Okay, ma'am, I present now.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi guys, let's do a GK quiz. Are you guys ready? Let's start the quiz. Here we go. Is the Great Wall of China visible from the moon? No. 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 It's no.
I,
Is the China Great Wall of China visible from the
I think Zenobia,
correct.
excuse me, dear. I
No.
think you already done this.
All done.
Am I right? You already present the same, ask the same question before 1 or 2 week. Am I right,
No,
Zenobia?
ma'am.
So prepare new GK point. Only one we needed. Okay. Just take one slide, Google slide, and add your GK question and add the answer also. Only one needed for each day.
Tomorrow can we
Okay.
present GK
So make
points?
new ones. Everyone, you have to make daily one new GK point. Those who get the.
Ma'am, tomorrow can I do
Okay, you can present your screen. Wait a minute, yes. Say one by one. Yeah, right. Is that
ma'am
enough?
GK point?
Okay, tomorrow schedule. Wait a minute. I want to. So tomorrow again, Muhammad Rayana news. Okay. Who is GK point? Tanas.
Yeah. Ramin, you can do
Tomorrow.
it tomorrow.
Ma'am, can I do it for the day?
No, Zenobia.
Ma'am, how are you not forgetting who are the newsers and thoughts of the day?
Yes, Ilham, your
Yes.
thought for the day. Okay,
Okay.
Ilham. Yes, and yesterday also the one message shared in the WhatsApp group. It's related Environment Day. So when was the Environment Day, dears? Do you know the day? You already remember the day?
June 5.
Yeah, yes. So actually, for our upcoming monthly meeting, we need one photo. We wanna make one video, some videos, and one slide, some slides also. So kindly send a video of what just making your planting your trees and photos. If you have this kind of photos, you can send us. Okay, and that will we will add it in our assembly. Okay. So it's good
Can we
opportunity
dress
to
in how
showcase
we
your
dress?
talent, your photos and videos in that assembly. So don't forget to send that video or photos to us. Okay,
Ma'am,
that's
can we draw?
Ma'am, can you send that message to my father's phone?
okay. Yeah, you can send it. It's in our WhatsApp group, Devdatan. So everyone just check your
Can you
WhatsApp
send
group.
it?
You have to check on your WhatsApp group daily. Some messages will
I
be
will look
uploaded
daily.
there. So kindly
Ma'am,
acknowledge
it's
that also.
not me looking at
Okay, your Saris
my
now.
father doesn't allow me to look in his phone.
All the messages are in the WhatsApp group.
Morning,
Please check
sir.
that out.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you
Things
send to my
clear?
mother's WhatsApp?
So, ma'am, where we have to send the photo?
You can send to us, dear.
In WhatsApp group?
Yeah. No. Don't do it in WhatsApp group. You can send by mail or I already shared my number also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, this A4
Anyway, you
sheet
can
is
just.
okay.
Okay. So thank you everyone.
Thank
Have a
you.
great day to you. Bye.